Hi guys, welcome to Life Hack It. Today I'm gonna give you some fast fixes for life's little problems. And if you have been watching our videos and you have not subscribed, shame on you, but let's get in, have fun.
When I was heading to the Amazon rainforest, I was suggested by the travel agency to take vitamin B complex 1 month prior to the trip. Reason being, insects do not like the way the vitamin B makes you smell. So it's like having a mosquito repellent without having to apply anything on you. So you're going to a party and you have to remove your shoes, and your feet may be a little stinky, or you have blisters from a new pair of shoes. No worries. The solution is actually under your armpit. Rub a stick deodorant on your feet in order to prevent the blisters when wearing, of course, very uncomfortable shoes. And also, if your feet get a little sweaty, you will be covered as well. If you're like me, I collect bruises. I seem to hurt myself on many things, I don't know why. But if you do, and you do not want them to show, no worries. Just grab some vinegar and apply it on a cotton ball and put it on a bruise for about an hour. It will help reduce the blueness as well as speed the healing. Try this the next time you have a candle and let me know how it works, okay? When you blow out a candle and you see smoke, what you're actually seeing is the smoke from the wax, not from the wick. So, if you light the smoke quickly enough, it will spark the candle again.
If you want to remember your dreams, not only do you have or should have a notebook and a pen on your nightstand, but also try this. Drink a glass of water before you go to bed and after you wake up. Staying hydrated will get your brain sharpened and therefore will be easier for you to remember all those fantastic dreams.
I am sure it has happened to you that you buy ice cream and it seems that it has been actually very thawed and refrozen. So here's the technique to protect you from that mistake ever happening to you again. When you buy ice cream, press on the top of the container. If it's solid, it has been properly stored. But if the top of the container depresses when you push it, then it has been thawed and refrozen, therefore not a good one to buy. If you really dislike the feeling of putting cold eye drops on your eyes, just run the bottle under hot water for a few seconds. Then put the eye drops on your eyes and you will barely feel them. If you have a sweater and it looks like it's spilling all over, you can use a sweater comb or even a pumice stone, but very gently and in circular motions. Or you can even buy one of those electrical things that are pill shavers, but do not ever pull the pills by hand. If you're ever wondering if there is actually an order for cleaning your home, yes, there is. Begin top to bottom and at the end, do mopping. Mopping should be saved for last so you can clean up any remaining dust and dirt that had settled after you cleaned your home. If you have an office and you ever wonder what would be a good color to paint the walls of your office, you may want to consider this. The color yellow will help you stay very focused. Yellow decreases the production of melatonin. It's a hormone that makes you sleepy.
You're getting ready to take a test and your mind is going absolutely insane. Worry seems to just bug our minds. And according to research, if you want to score better on your tests, write down all your worries. It's gonna help you clear your mind out and do a lot better. Another tip, if you want to score even higher, is if you want to improve, teach. Teach the material you're going to work on for your test, and you'll be amazed how much better you'll score.
If you're gonna play the game of rock, paper, scissors, and you do not know what your greater chances for winning are, because it's supposed to be random, then always start with paper. Most people start with rock, as that's the shape of the hand that most easily forms. You want to get rid of bad breath, and you can brush your teeth as much as you want, and of course that's very important. But the key actually is on the tongue. Most of the bacteria can be found on the tongue, and that's where the bad breath begins. Sometimes it's so hard to fall asleep. Your thoughts are rushing and it's just a little challenging. But contrary to popular belief, thinking of the future, it's usually what keeps most people up all night. But thinking about the past can actually help you fall asleep faster. You need to read a book, and it seems like it's never going to end, and you do not feel like reading it. A cool solution to help you actually get through the book is to give yourself treats. Every couple of pages or so, hide a treat, whatever your favorite treat is, and when you reach that part, you get a treat. So try doing that, and pretty soon you will be done with your book. Sometimes we get nervous and it's hard to control it. So next time that happens to you, chew some gum. Reason being, chewing gum tells the brain that everything is okay. You would not be eating if you were nervous. Your brain will reason that you are actually not in danger because otherwise you wouldn't be eating.
It's nice when we're able to understand nature, like if it's going to rain or not. And one clue to know if there's gonna be a very severe storm is to look at the sun or the moon. And if there is a halo, please take shelter because you'll have a very strong storm coming.
If you feel a little adventurous, then try this. Go with your first instinct, whatever it is. It's usually right. If it's not, you'll have a really cool story to tell. Because sometimes bad ideas make for really good stories later. When I had cats, my cats loved sitting on top of my computer. If your cat loves to sit in front of your computer, then flip a file box top or any box and it is like a cat magnet. If you're buying cashmere and you do not know how to test the quality of it, then try this method. Gently stretch the body of the garment to see if the fabric snaps back. If it doesn't, then that's a lower quality cashmere. You have to wrap a present and you run out of wrapping paper. No worries, then grab the newspapers. Use them to wrap gifts. If you have a birthday party for a child, then wrap it with the comics or try the wedding announcements for an engagement gift. Also, if you want to ripen tomatoes faster, wrap them in newspaper. It seems like mosquitoes send a text message when I arrive. They all come and bite me. They don't bite anybody else, they bite me. So I gotta try this. If you want to relieve the itch of a bug bite, use either Scotch tape or clear nail polish. Apparently, if you block the oxygen from the bite, it will help the healing and it will stop itching.
It's hard to get motivated sometimes in the morning, especially if you work from home. But if you really want to get motivated and ready, take a shower. It is proven to help you get your mind set for a very successful day.
If you need to make rice less boring and maybe you're running out of cash and need to spice things up for you in the rice category, then mix some rice with some broth. Mixing them together will make the rice a lot more interesting and it will make your meal much better. If you're going to consume your food really fast, then maybe you do not need this hack. But if for any reason you know you're going to eat whatever it is that you're buying in a couple of months, then this trick is for you. Pretty much all grocery stores stack their products by sell-by date, which means that the older the food, the closer to the front it is. So if you know you're not gonna consume it for a while, then grab some from the back. If you know you're going to be working on your lawnmower, do this safety trick. Remove the spark plug because when you're cleaning the lawnmower, you're spinning the blade, and spinning the blade can actually start the mower. Tomatoes are the superstar in the fruit and vegetable category. They are not only delicious, but also eating tomatoes can help you raise your lycopene level, which helps with your eyes, And also, they are a very powerful cancer fighter. And like oranges, they are filled with vitamin C. If you're feeling like your skin is getting dry and no cream is helping, then incorporate more avocados into your diet. They are so rich in monosaturated fat, full of vitamin E, and those two are great promoting healthy skin.
If you like this video, you definitely want to check out our new channel, Life Hack It. We're going to do tips and tricks, and we're going to experiment on the table and try different things that work, and some of them don't work, but that's what makes it really fun. So check it out. Also, for extra footage, check us out on Facebook at Life Hack It.
Remember to click the bell icon after you subscribe so you can get instant notifications of all of our new videos.